Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss the concept of electric field in a very simple manner. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel, like the video and share. So let us start the concept of electric field. First of all, make it clear that electric field is also known as electric field intensity and it is known as electric field strength because electric field intensity is the magnitude of electric field, okay, how much intense is this, and also field strength, electric field strength is also the magnitude of this electric field. So simply these three are same. We can say electric field or electric field intensity or electric field strength, all are same. Moving ahead, as per the definition, it is the force exerted on a unit positive charge, which is a test charge, due to the presence of other charge, means source charge in the space. Let us draw these two charges for better understanding. One is source charge, it is Q. The circle is source charge, it is Q. Definitely it will exert some force in its vicinity, means in its surrounding, everywhere. Okay. Now let us bring another charge close to it, in its surrounding, in its vicinity, and we call it QT, test charge. So this charge Q will definitely exert a force on this test charge. Okay, definitely it will exert some force on this test charge. So electric field is nothing but this force which was exerted by the charge Q or some other charges in the vicinity on test charge Q. Or very simpler way we can say it is the force exerted on test charge due to the charge Q or some other charges in the vicinity. Okay. Now we know the formula for force between two charges. As per the Coulomb's law, it is equal to one by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here I have to draw 4 pi epsilon naught, which is permittivity. It is absolute permittivity. In bracket Q1, Q2 by R square. Okay. So this is the relation of Coulomb's law. You can also refer my previous video of Coulomb's law. The force between two charges, there are two charges Q1 and Q2. So the force of attraction or repulsion between the two charges, attraction force will be there in the case of different charge polarities and repulsion will be there in the case if the charges are having same polarity. So the force between these two charges is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, where epsilon naught is the permittivity. Okay, it is absolute permittivity, and in for a space or for vacuum, it is equal to, the permittivity is simply equal to absolute permittivity, because relative permittivity is 1 q1 q2 by r square. Q1 is the magnitude of one charge, Q2 is the magnitude of another charge, and R is the distance between these two charges. Okay, R is the distance between the two charges. It is the separation. As per the second definition, simply force per unit charge is called electric field intensity. So, electric field intensity E is equal to force in the numerator, it is the Coulomb force by per unit test charge. Okay, test charge F by Qt. Now we can do one thing. In this formula, let us take Q1 as source charge and Q2 as test charge Qt. Okay, the original charge means the charge which is exerting force as Q1 and Qt as the test charge. So E, it is equal to 1 by Qt. Now the relation for force we know. Here, take Q1 as Q, take QT, QT as Q2. There are two charges in the numerator. Q into Qt upon 4 pi epsilon naught into r square into r square. So this is the formula. From this formula, we can say the test charge, it is cancelled. Okay, in numerator there is Qt and denominator also there is Qt. So the final formula for E comes out intensity come out is Q by 4 pi, the value of pi is 3.14 into epsilon naught. Again I have to draw this epsilon naught, absolute permittivity into r square. Okay, now you can see here the intensity will, it is not dependent on the test charge. Okay, it is only dependent on the charge which are exerting the force, which is exerting the force. If Q is exerting the force, so the intensity is dependent on this but not on the test charge. So electric field intensity or electric field strength is given by Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. It is a vector quantity. Later on we will discuss the vector form also. You can ask any question in the comment box. If you like the video, please like in the channel and share to your friends. And again, subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you very much.